Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse style cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some farmhouse style cottage decoration ideas to help create a cozy and charming atmosphere. Natural wood elements. Incorporate natural wood throughout furniture like a rustic dining table, wooden shelves, or exposed wooden beams. Reclaimed wood adds a touch of authenticity. Vintage furniture and decor. Use vintage or distressed furniture pieces like a weathered farmhouse table, an old-fashioned cabinet, or a vintage dresser. Add antique decor items such as old lanterns, enamelware, and vintage sinks. Neutral and soft color palette. Stick to a neutral color palette with soft hues like white, beige, soft grays, and pale blue. This creates a calm, airy feel that complements the farmhouse style. Cozy textiles. Layer your space with cozy textiles like knitted throws, linen curtains, and vintage-inspired rugs. Add cushions with farmhouse patterns such as gingham, stripes, or floral prints. Open shelving. Replace upper kitchen cabinets with open shelving to display dishes, jars, and farmhouse style decor. Use wooden or metal brackets for an industrial farmhouse look. Farmhouse sink. Install a classic farmhouse apron front sink in your kitchen. Pair it with a vintage style fur chest for an authentic look. Shiplap walls. Cover walls with shiplap or bedboard to add texture and a rustic cottage feel. You can paint it white or a soft pastel color to brighten up the space. Rustic lighting. Use rustic or industrial style lighting fixtures such as messenger pendants, outside candeliers, or lantern style sconces. Wicker and rattan accents. Incorporate wicker or rattan baskets, chairs, and accessories for a natural farmhouse look. These materials add warmth and texture. Country-inspired decor. Decorate with country-inspired items like galvanized metal containers, farmhouse sinks, and fresh flowers in mason jars. Rooster and chicken motifs can add a playful touch. Patchwork countertops. Use purchased countertops in the kitchen for a warm and inviting farmhouse aesthetic. They pair beautifully with white cabinets and a farmhouse sink. Upcycle and dye projects. Embrace the farmhouse spirit by upcycling old furniture and doing dye projects. Turn old crates into shelves or refurbished an old door into a headboard. Furniture. Reclaimed wood furniture. Use reclaimed wood for tables, chairs, and shelving to add rustic charm. Distress finishes. Opt for distress furniture finishes for an aged, lived-in look. Farmhouse dining table. Choose a large, sturdy farmhouse table as the centerpiece of your dining room. Slip-covered sofas. Go for slip-covered sofas in neutral tones for a cozy and casual feel. Wicker chairs. Include wicker or rattan chairs for a touch of natural texture. Iron bed frames. In the bedroom, an iron bed frame adds vintage appeal. Antique dressers. Use an antique or vintage dresser for added character. Wooden benches. Incorporate wooden benches in dining areas or entryways for rustic seating. Repurposed furniture. Upcycle old doors or windows into unique furniture pieces like headboards or coffee tables. Open storage. Use open shelving units made of wood and metal for storage that doubles as decor. Color palette. Neutral beige. Stick to neutral beige of whites, beiges, and soft grays. Pastel accents. Add soft pastels like light blues, blush pink, or pale yellow for a gentle pop of color. Muted greens. Incorporate muted greens like sage or olive for a natural inspired touch. Warm whites. Opt for warm white shades rather than stark whites to keep the space inviting. Two-tone walls. Consider paneling walls two tones, such as white on top and a soft color on the bottom, using wainscoting or shiplap as a divider. Textiles. Layered rugs. Layer area rugs in different textures like jute and wool for warmth and comfort. Floral prints. Use floral print fabrics on cushions, curtains, Thank you so much for